Yeah, hello guys, greetings once more for best passion today. I'll be showing you guys how to make this biscuit mass, or you call it biscuit mass, or you call it sponge cake. This is just a plain cake that you make, and then you can decorate it with whatever you want, or you can use any filling you want for the cake. So as you see, those are the ingredients I'll be using for my cake. Here I have 100 grams of butter, but then I'm going to melt the butter. I have here 200 grams of sugar and a pinch of salt already inside. I have here my flour. This is all-purpose flour. That is 120 grams of flour, and potato starch. 100 grams of potato starch. And here I have my egg that I've already prepared. This is 7 egg. That is about 320 to 350 grams of egg. It's okay. So the method I'll be using today is the warm cold method. So I'm just going to give my, you see here I have my pot already with water inside. I'm just going to put on my fire. Then I'm going to give my bowl to the pot. I'm just going to give it a warm bath. So my pot does not have to touch the water, or my container where the egg is doesn't have to touch the water. So I'm just going to give it a warm bath. So, and then I'll just add my sugar. Add my vanilla extract. If you wish, you can also add some citron, some orange flavor, whatever flavor you want to it. And there I have my whisk. This method you have to keep on whisking till the sugar gets dissolved and the egg sugar mixture gets to 45 degrees Celsius. So you don't have to let it get warmer than that. And that's just it. Then I'm going to give it to my machine. If you don't have a kitchen thermometer like this, I'm going to show you when I'll test it, and you will see how it looks like when it has gotten to 45 degrees Celsius. So now I'm just going to heat the water and the pot. So just give it like that and keep on whisking until the egg is ready. Then I'm going to give it to my machine. I'm going to give it to my mixing machine, and then I'm going to mix it. That's why they call it the warm cold method. So this is how it looks like. Sorry, I have to keep on whipping. So I have now my 45 degrees mixture. I'm having 45 degrees now. So I'm just going to take it away from my fire, or from the pot. Then I'm going to give it to my mixer. And now this is how it looks like. Now I'm just going to use my kitchen machine in mixing it on my mixer. If you don't have a mixer, you can also use a hand mixer if you don't have one like this. So I'm just going to mix it for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's going to increase in volume, and then I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. So this is how our mass looks like, but I'm not sure it's good enough yet. I'm just going to give a toast. You see, it's not standing. So I'm just going to mix it again for another 10 to 15 minutes again, or I'm just going to mix it again and see how the mass is going to look. And then I'm going to show you guys how it looks like when it's finished. So I'm going to show you the toast method. I'm just going to do my toast method again. You see, now it's standing. You see the tip, you see the sharp point there on my spatula. So it means it's ready. Our egg mass is ready. So another method to know if your egg mass is ready, you just go with the back of your finger like this. So you see how sharp it is. It means the egg mass is ready. So now I'm just going to give my flour and my potatoes starch to the egg mass. I have my butter already. I've melted my butter in the microwave. You can also do it on the pot if you wish. So now I'm just going to give my flour to my egg mass, and then I give it a mix. So I've mixed my flour, and now I'm just going to give my butter, my liquid butter, and then I give it a mix again. Then I'm just going to give it to my baking pan. I'm using 26, sorry. My baking pan is 26. So now I'm just going to give it to my baking oven, I've already heated my oven on 200 degrees circulation heat. So I'm just going to bake it now for 20 to 30 minutes. Higher should be 30 minutes, and then it's ready. Like I said, my baking ring is 26. This is for 26. My recipe was for 26 baking pan or baking ring. So this is how our sponge cake looks like. Our biscuit mass or biscuit cake. So this is just a plain cake, and now you can decorate it with whatever you want. You can use whatever filling you want for the cake. So guys, like I said, very simple, very easy recipe. This is a cold warm method. So there are two other methods I'm going to show you guys. We have the kasse method. What is kasse? The two mixture method, and we have the all-in-one method. So guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys in our next video. If you are already a subscriber by Best Passion, please don't forget to share this video. And if you are a new person that was just passing by and you stumped on the Best Passion, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And for those who are very, very interested in baking, cooking, please always come back to Best Passion, and you're going to have some very, very delicious recipe from Best Passion. Thanks once more for watching, and see you guys in our next video. Bye. So that's our biscuit mass sponge cake.